Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Fatma. Today we discuss about topic endoplasmic reticulum. Dear ones, endoplasmic reticulum किसको कहते हैं? इसकी morphological forms, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and its function. We discuss in this video. Let's start. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a continuous membrane system that forms a series of latent sacs with the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell. Endoplasmic reticulum channels are continuous with cell membrane. Network of channels. Dear ones, cytoplasm is responsible for holding the component of cell. Eukaryotic cells are divided into nucleus plus cytoplasm. These channels continuous with plasma membrane and also appear to be in contact with the nuclear membrane. Whole system of channel known as the endoplasmic reticulum. In last, we discuss about cisternae. Important definition also. क्रिस्टी and cisternae में sometimes difference पूछ लिया जाता है. Cisternae is the material separated from endoplasmic material by tubular membrane. This membrane is called the cisternae. Means वो material present in this channel is separated from cytoplasmic material by spherical or tubular membrane called the cisternae. Next, function of endoplasmic reticulum. Metabolism of lipids, detoxification of harmful drugs, transmission of impulses, transportation of material and mechanical support. In first, metabolism of lipids. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in metabolism of number of different types of molecules, particularly lipids. Detoxification of drugs means smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps to detoxify the harmful drugs. In next slide, we discuss about smooth endoplasmic and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Transmission of impulse. In some cells, smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for transmission of nerve impulses. Nerve means sabiru, muscle and nerve cells. Transport of material. They are involved in the transport of material from one part of the cell to the other. And mechanical transport. Endoplasmic reticulum also provide support to the cell so that its shape is maintained. Next, dear ones, before we discuss about starting endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the main difference is that in rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes attached, and in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes is not attached. In rough endoplasmic reticulum gets its name from the bumpy ribosomes attached to its cytoplasmic surfaces. And in smooth endoplasmic reticulum is continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum has few or no ribosome on its cytoplasmic surfaces. Storage of calcium ions and detoxification of medication and poison. Involve in the synthesis of protein. Rough endoplasmic reticulum जो है वो involve कर रहा है synthesis of protein में. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum involves in the metabolism of compound lipids. Important point. Next, protein store in this cell. Proteins जो है वो store कर रहा है cell में. Cell क्या है? Cell is the structural and functional unit of living organisms. SER detoxify harmful drug and harmful material. Cell shape is maintained and in smooth endoplasmic reticulum transmit nerve impulse in some cell like muscle cell. These are the MCQs important. Endoplasmic reticulum is studied with ribosome. The endoskeleton in this cell is made up of ER, endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following organelles are not bounded by two membrane? Endoplasmic reticulum. The synthesis of lipid and lipoproteins is associated with endoplasmic reticulum. This is a motivational quote. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start be great. Dear ones, be patient, be hard work. Thank you. Any question, any query you may ask in the section box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.